Hello everybody. Previously in this video series we set fetch policy as no cache because we have some issue with loading product images on product details screen, but actually it's not what we want. We want to use networking cache, powerful Apollo client caching capabilities. And let's look again what happened there. You see, we don't have any more images once we switch fetch policy to cache and network. Let's take a look in our query again, and the problem happened is with our media gallery fragment. If we copy fields directly without using fragment, you see it's immediately fixed. So we can assume something wrong with fragment, and let's find out. We go to the fragment documentation. In using fragment with unions in interfaces section, there is a note. Your client needs to understand the polymorphic relationship between the character interface and the type that implements it. So in our case, we have product interface, and our actual object type is configure product, which implements product interface, but GraphQL don't really know about this connection. And what we should do, we should define possible types in our in-memory cache. Let's try this. So we need possible types, and we want product interface, and the array of types. Let's copy it from here. And let's take a look. And you see it works again, but if we go to object for product with different type, it will not work because it's different type, it's downloadable product now. We can add all these types manually, but it's not actually what we want, and in the Apollo docs there is already a solution. We can generate all possible types on server side and just fetch it with following code snippet. So let's do this. It will be script in Node.js, so let's create directory scripts and new JavaScript file with name generate possible types, and let's copy code snippet. Okay, we need our Magento URL here. Let's import it from our config. Okay. And let's change path of the generated JSON. Let's place it in Apollo directory data. So it will be src Apollo data possible type JSON. Let's add new command to the script section in package.json. Let's name it generate possible types, and it will run not scripts generate possible types JS file. Let's try it. Yarn run generate possible types. Okay, we have error in the Magento config because node doesn't have export. So let's make it compatible with model exports. Model exports. Things should be fine now. Okay, fragment type successfully extracted. So let's take a look. Yeah, we have a JSON file, and you see for product interface we have different types like virtual product, simple product, and other. So let's import this data and set in our cache memory. Let's reload our app. And you see there is an image and the product type is group product. Here is simple products and everything loading fine as we expected. Okay, that's it. We'll see you in the new videos.